Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ASYIKIN binti SALMEE. My matric number is 270678. And my other three group members are RABIATUL ADAWIYAH binti AHMAD SHAHADZ, Nur ALIFAH IZZATI binti Abdul Malik, and Nurul Izzah binti RAMLI. Okay, our group topic is financial statement. And the first group member, which is RABIATUL ADAWIYAH, will talk about the importance of financial statement.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is RABIATUL ADAWIYAH binti Ahmad Shahaz, matric number 270094. So, I'm going to be answering the first question. It is about the importance of financial statement. Financial statements are extremely significant because they represent the company's financial condition and result accurately. It also helps all stakeholders, including management, investors, financial experts, and others, to evaluate and take appropriate economic decisions by comparing past and current performances and thus predicting the company's future performance and growth. Therefore, the financial report is necessary in order to provide businesses with a financial condition. So the first one is, financial statement is important to management. It is because of the difficulties and the scale of the organization require management to keep the information regarding the company and its financial status updated, reliable, and also comprehensive. So the financial situation tend to help management to understand the company performance in terms of sale, profit, and also the business sector. So the second one is important to the shareholders. So shareholders are the company owner and they are therefore not participating in decision making and everyday activities. The annual general assembly, however, share this result with the shareholders. It allows them to evaluate the current and future achievement. The third one is important to the government. So the government use the financial statement for taxes. An official report of the company financial operation is provided by its financial statements. So in multiple areas, the government use their financial performance to analyze the quality of economic system. So for example, your financial report as a business owner provided useful insight on the actual financial condition of your organization, including context of accounting loss or financial health. To tax authorities, financial statements are vital to guarantee that the tax and extra responsibilities reported and charged by the company are correct. So the fourth is important to creditor. So financial statements provide investors with an analysis of the company financial performance. All factors that influence the overall financial profile of the enterprise, including revenue, current debt liabilities, expenditure, payment, profit, and cash flow. So creditors use their financial report to determine whether a company possesses a sound financial risk and its ability to pay back liabilities as accepted. So this proportion gives a creditor an insight on how the company use liabilities and how it can pay back additional debt. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Rabiatul. Next, Izzah will explain about adjusted entry.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Izzah binti RAMLI, matric number 269502. Okay, today I will explain about the adjusted entry. Adjusted entry, we call it adjusted journal entry, are made at the ends of the periods to correct account before final statement are prepared. Okay, like I said, they have a set item that have been not recorded yet. Okay, the first one is depreciation of the building. The second one is the depreciation of the equipment. The third one is the prepaid insurance expense. The four is unearned service revenue, and then accrued waste, and also the personal expense that record in another account. Okay, we go to the first item, is the depreciation of the building. So, the building is cost RM222300. The accumulated depreciation is RM20000, and the depreciation rate is around 10%. So, we will use the formula of the reduced balance depreciation. So the formula is cost minus accumulated depreciation and multiply depreciation rates. Okay, next we will get RM20230, and then we will put it at the adjusted entry journal entry. We put date December 31. Name account is the first one is depreciation expense. We put in the debit 20230, and then at credit we put accumulated depreciation building, also the same amount 20230. That's the first one. Next, we will go to the second one. The second one is the equipment. Okay, the equipment is cost about around 50000. The accumulated depreciation is 7000, and the depreciation rate is around 5% on book value. Okay, we use the same formula, so we will get around 6450. So we put at the adjusted journal entry, date December 31. Account is depreciation expense for the equipment. We put in debit 6450, and then credit accumulated depreciation. We put 6450. That's for the second one. And then we move to the third one. Prepaid insurance. Okay, prepaid insurance is around RM 1500. So we will minus 6,000 minus 1,500. We will get 4,500. Okay, then we put at the adjusted journal entry. Like I said that dates December 31. Accounting is the first one is prepaid insurance expense, debit in 1500, and then credit insurance expense also 1500. That's the third one. Okay, next, the unearned service revenue during the years at 5,000. So unearned service revenue before this is 215,000. Next, we will minus with 5,000. We will get 210,000. Then we will put it on the adjusted journal entry. We put also the December 31 December. We will write service revenue debit 5,000, and then unearned service revenue credit we put 5,000 also. Okay, the next one is accrued waste expense is 3,000. Okay, before this the expense of the waste is 75,000, and then we will add 3,000. Okay, next, for the adjusted journal entry, we will put December 31. Accounting is waste expense 3,000 debit, and also in credit we put accrued waste expense 3,000 also. Okay, the last one is the personal expense that recorded in another account. Okay, so we will write the date December 31, and then accounting is drawing 100 at debit, and also another expense is credit 1,000. This is record mistake. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Izzah. Last but not least, Nik Nur Alifah will present about adjusted trial balance, step of accounting cycle, which include statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive account. She will also touch on statement of change equity and statement of financial position.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is IZZATI binti Abdul Malik. My matrix number is 272968. I'm going to continue to talk about adjusted trial balance. Adjusted trial balance is a list of all journal ledger account balance, and will be added a new account from an adjustment ledger. They have a new account that have been made from the adjustment, which is prepaid prepaid insurance expenses with amount 1,500. We also have unearned service revenue with amount 5,000. We also have accurate wages expenses with amount 3,000. We also have accumulated depreciation for building, which is 20,230. We also have accumulated depreciation for equipment 646,450. We also have depreciation expenses for building, which amount 20,230, and depreciation expenses for equipment, which is 6,450. The total amount of debit is 454,680, and the credit is also 454,680. It shows that the total of debit side on the trial balance must be equal with the total of credit side. Is to check if the double entry is correct. And after adjusted trial balance, the next step for accounting cycle is statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. They have two content that will be used in statement of profit or loss, which is revenue and expenses. The revenue for automobile workshop Sdn Bhd is service revenue with amount 210,000, and the lease expenses for automobile workshop Sdn Bhd is wages expenses, utility expenses, rent expenses, insurance expenses, other expenses, depreciation expenses for building, and depreciation expenses for equipment. The total expenses are 128,280 ringgit. And when revenue minus with expenses, we will get a net income, which is 81,720. After, we must do a statement of change in equity. Statement of change equity is only use on equity only. First is capital. The capital is 0, and they give investment in business, and the investment in business will be plus with net income for December 2019, which is 81,720. And when we when we add, we'll get 260,720, and will be minus withdrawing, which is amount that have been amounted 100, when the total after be minus withdrawing is 260,620. And the capital for December 31, 2019 is 260,620. The last financial statement is statement of financial position. Statement of financial position use asset, liability, and owner equity. First is asset. Asset have two, which is fixed asset and current asset. Fixed asset, we have building. Building must be minus with accumulated depreciation. For depreciation, okay, first of all, we have building. We must minus with accumulated depreciation for building. We will get, after we minus, we will get 2,200 and 2,070 ringgit. After, and another fixed asset is equipment. Equipment will be minus with accumulated depreciation of equipment, and we'll get 43,550. The total of fixed asset is 245,620 ringgit. After that, we have current asset. Current asset, we have cash, billing due for others, supply, and prepaid insurance expenses. The total current asset is 54,000, and the total asset, when fixed asset plus current asset, we will get 299 ringgit 620 ringgit. After that, after liability, we also have liability. Liability only have current liability. Current liability has amount owed to others, unearned service revenue, accurate wages expenses, and the total expenses is 39,000. We also use owner equity. We also gonna use owner equity, which is 260,620 and 20. When we plus the when we make a total liability and owner equity, we will get 299,620. When asset and total liability and owner equity is equal or same amount, in the same amount, it shown that the company had shown a good performance. The company has a good perform, and it was a good news for the automobile workshop Sdn Bhd.